An optimal binary search tree, OBST, is a specialized binary search tree designed to minimize the average search cost by organizing keys based on their search frequencies. In this context, optimal refers specifically to achieving the minimum expected search cost for a given set of keys and their associated probabilities. A binary search tree, BST, stores sorted keys such that left subtree keys is less than root. Right subtree keys is greater than root. Given 3 keys, 10, 20, and 30 with frequencies 3, 2, and 5 respectively. These frequencies indicate how often each key is searched. Number of possible trees. For 3 keys, the number of possible binary search trees is calculated using the Catalan number formula. The result is 5, so 5 different binary search trees are possible, as shown in the diagram. Cost calculation rule. In optimal binary search tree, the cost of each node is calculated as the level of the node multiplied by its frequency. The root node is at level 1, its child at level 2, and the grandchild at level 3. Tree 1 explanation. In the first tree, key 30 is at level 1, key 20 at level 2, and key 10 at level 3. The total cost is calculated as 1 into 5 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3, which gives a total cost of 22. Tree 2 explanation. In the second tree, key 30 is the root at level 1, key 10 is at level 2, and key 20 is at level 3. The cost is 1 into 5 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2, which gives a total cost of 17. This is the minimum cost. Tree 3 explanation. In the third tree, key 20 is the root, with keys 10 and 30 at level 2. The total cost is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 into 5, which gives 18. Tree 4 explanation. In the fourth tree, key 10 is at level 1, key 30 at level 2, and key 20 at level 3. The total cost becomes 19. Tree 5 explanation. In the fifth tree, key 10 is the root, key 20 is at level 2, and key 30 is at level 3. Since the most frequently searched key is at the deepest level, the total cost is maximum, which is 22. Final conclusion. Among all the 5 binary search trees, the second tree gives the minimum total cost of 17. Therefore, this tree is the optimal binary search tree. Here given 4 keys, 10, 20, 30, and 40 with successful search frequencies 4, 2, 6, and 3. Using the Catalan number formula, multiple binary search trees are possible. To find the optimal one, we use dynamic programming. The cost function is C of I, j equals the minimum of C of I, k minus 1 plus C of k plus 1, j, plus the sum of probabilities from I to j. We fill the DP table diagonally, starting from smaller subproblems. The tree with minimum total cost is selected as the optimal binary search tree. This diagram shows the final optimal binary search tree constructed using the root table R of I, j. The overall root is R of 0, 4, which is key 3. Its left subtree is formed from R of 0, 2, with root key 1, and its right subtree is formed from R of 2, 4, with root key 4. Further, R of 1, 2, gives root key 2, and R of 3, 3, and R of 4, 4, are leaf nodes. Thus, using the root table obtained from dynamic programming, the complete optimal binary search tree is constructed. Problem statement. In this problem, we are given 4 keys for if, else, and while, with successful search probabilities P1 equals 1, P2 equals 4, P3 equals 2, and P4 equals 1. The unsuccessful search probabilities are Q0 equals 4, Q1 equals 2, Q2 equals 4, Q3 equals 1, and Q4 equals 1. Using these P and Q values, we apply the recursive dynamic programming method to compute W of I, J, C of I, J, and R of I, J, and finally construct the optimal binary search tree. Here we fill the OBST dynamic programming table diagonally. First, W of I is set using Q values and C of I is 0. Then for increasing lengths, W of ij is computed using previous W values and P and Q. The cost C of ij is calculated by trying all possible roots k, and the minimum root index is stored in R of ij. Calculating the values of 0, 1 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 like this to all the values and taking the minimum cost values of R of I, j values means k values. Using these probabilities, dynamic programming is applied. For each subproblem, we try every key as a possible root and compute the cost using the recurrence relation. The root that gives the minimum cost is stored in the R, I, J table. Finally, using this table, we construct the optimal binary search tree with the least average number of comparisons. By filling the table diagonally using dynamic programming, we avoid recomputation and guarantee the minimum average search cost. Using the R of I, J values, we can now construct the final OBST dot. Now let us construct the optimal binary search tree using the R of I, J table. From the solution table, the final root is obtained from R of 0, 4 is equal to 2. So, key 2 is equal to if becomes the root of the tree. Left subtree of root of 0, 1. For the left subtree, we look at R of 0, 1 is equal to 1. So, key 1 is equal to 4 becomes the left child of if. The left and right children of 4 are R of 0, 0, dummy node. R of 1, 1, dummy node. So, 4 is a leaf node. Right subtree of root of 2, 4. For the right subtree, R of 2, 4 is equal to 3. So, key A3 is equal to else becomes the right child of if. Subtree of else 3, 4. Now, from R of 3, 4 is equal to 4. Key of 4 is equal to while becomes the right child of else. Its left and right children. R of 3, 3 is dummy node. R of 4, 4 is dummy node. So, while is also a leaf node. Final OBST structure. Root is if. Left child is 4. Right child is else. Right child of else is while. This structure gives the minimum expected search cost. Direct hit final conclusion is using the R of I, J table, the OBST is constructed recursively, ensuring the least average number of comparisons. In conclusion, using dynamic programming, the tables W, I, J, C, I, J, and R, I, J are computed systematically. The optimal root is obtained as R, 0, 4 is equal to 2, which corresponds to the key if. Using the R, I, J table, the optimal binary search tree is constructed as shown, resulting in the minimum expected search cost of 41. Thus, the OBST ensures efficient searching with the least average number of comparisons. Thank you.